welcome back. I know it's been a while. I am been busy. It's been a couple months, probably 6 months since I posted a new video. This is my new video I came up with. I hope you guys like it. I am pregnant now, so that's another reason why I haven't posted for a while. But this is my Valentine's Day look. It's kind of different and more glam and a little bit glowy. I hope you guys like it and keep on watching. So I'm gonna get started doing my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first, and then I'll go with my base. Start using my Anastasia brow gel in clear, just to make it more straighten up. Now I'll be going in with my precisely my brow in 5. I'm looking like one of my other mirrors that I have. So first I usually start from the center, kind of just flick it up. Now I'm going to use the NARS Light 2 Vanilla and Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And I'm going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow that I'm going to be doing. So I just get a Morphe B10 brush. So I'll be grabbing 2 eyeshadow brush. That one is has an angle to it, and then one that is more curved. And then this one, I don't even know the name of this because I've used it so much. But this one's the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH421. And I'm going to take my Master Mallet eyeshadow palette by Makeup by Mario. I'm going to start taking this brown shade. Then you see where it starts. So I'm going to start detailing that all the way till I get to the edge of it. So now I'm gonna go in with my other one. I'm going to the one to the next of it, 7, matte 7. So I'm gonna grab a lighter shade, like the matte, I think it'll be 3. Back to my concealer that I did on my eye, and then I'll shape it again since I kind of lose a little bit of it, and fix the bottom of it as well. now I'm going to take matte 11 and then carve out more detailing. So now I'm going to grab another Morphe Time Chocolate Hill oh my gosh, eyeshadow brush, and I'll do the JH41. And I'll go with the number 1, the lightest shade. And I'm gonna do with the white part of my is that just to set it. And then we're gonna clean up a little bit on it to get that excess off. So this eye's done. It's not finished yet because I have to put mascara and stuff, so it's gonna look a little better. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So now I'll be using my Tarte Man Eater one. I'm gonna curl my eyes first. So I'm gonna go in with these Ardell lashes. I actually tried these during Christmas, and I love them. So it says Naked Lash, and they're really lightweight. They do have volume and length, and you don't really feel it at all on your eye. It's crazy. I tried the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive with this, and it really stayed on pretty well. Usually I just put it in the middle, then do the sides, then make sure like there's no extra glue that goes on that. So now I'm gonna do my base now. Finally! So now I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus, and then cover my eyes. Makeup Forever Reboot, and I like this one. It's Y218 because it brightens, smooths, firms, hydrates, and evens out. And I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. sponge that I got from Ulta. So I'm gonna be taking my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I'm done with concealer, and then the Fenty Beauty Cream. This is a butter biscuit, a cream one. So I'll be taking my Real Techniques so now you're gonna grab a sponge. Just blend it more. So now we're gonna go into a blush that came out not too long ago. the Rare Beauty Newly Neutral. It's a melting blush. This one is not that much pigment as the other one. Our cream that we use, the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, and set our under eyes, which you're not really supposed to be doing, but this actually works. I don't know how. And then now I'm going to go in my short tubby one, and I want to set the whole face with this. And it's the Airbrush Flawless Finish Fair one. Put my Fenty Beauty powder blush in the Private Island. So now we're going back to that eye. This brush that we did again. And just put it underneath the eyes. You do my lips now. And I'll be using the KKW Nude Liner 2. And I'll be using a KKW Nude 1 lipstick. Lips are a little bit dry. Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow. So I'm going to set with this Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray for a 16-hour wear. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys liked it. It's very natural but glam. It takes a little while, but hope you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye.